Hey everyone, George from Zenhub here with an exciting addition to the Zenhub platform. Today we're introducing Zenhub Issues. Let's take a look. So software development is and always has been a team sport, but it's one that's required compromise. Your developers live in GitHub, so where does the whole team come together to plan and track work? Should your developers leave GitHub to plan and track work? No, that's terrible. We want developers to stay in GitHub, close to the code. Should developers work in GitHub and everyone else work somewhere else? Well, that's no good either, because now you have silos and things start getting out of date like that. Should everyone join GitHub? Well, that's what we've done to date. But today, I'm excited to announce that that's no longer necessary. Today, Zenhub Issues allow the whole team to work together in the same team workspace. Let's have a look. Okay, so here we are in Zenhub, and I'm logged in as a developer with GitHub access. I can see the new GitHub Issue button here, but under the plus button, you can see I can also create a Zenhub Issue. A Zenhub Issue can be used by the whole team. Now, I'm going to flip back and forth between the developer and another profile, so I'm going to just put this one into dark mode so we know who is who. So dark mode, developer. Let's collapse that and open the pipeline up using the expand pipeline option, get a nice grid view. You can prioritize things super fast. So I can come in here, I can say this is more important than this one. Reads like a book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Super cool. Okay, now let's create a new issue. So we'll click plus, click Zenhub Issue, and add a title, and then add some text. Perfect. Now, we need a design for this. So let's go over here, say design needed, and perfect. There's a label applied. Okay, let's flip over to a designer profile. Okay, so here we are. I'm logged in as a designer who does not have GitHub access. In fact, you can see here, there's a prompt up here to connect to GitHub. No GitHub at all here. This means that this user doesn't have source code access, which improves your security, doesn't need a GitHub account, which reduces the amount of money you need to spend with GitHub, and it's a much simpler place to be. GitHub there's a lot there. So let's set this up for a designer. You know what? I'm going to go into condensed view, get a nice clean view. Let's collapse that sidebar. We'll come in here, widen the pipeline instead of the grid view because I like to have a list view in here. Oh, and it looks like I have something that needs design. So I just so happen to have a revised design that's hosted in my design system. And so let's update this, paste in a markdown link, and there we go. And say ready for dev. Perfect. Okay. And there we go. Now that other label just got removed, and we'll flip back over. And look at that, it says ready for dev. Whole team working together side by side in the same team workspace. Some users with GitHub, some users don't need GitHub anymore. This is the best of all worlds and transforms how we can plan and track work. And that's it. It is so easy. For the first time ever, the whole team can come together and work in one place. Your developers can stay in GitHub. Our best-in-class GitHub integration allows them to work there, and all the work flows right here into the Zenhub web app, which everyone can use. So you can reduce the number of GitHub seats that you have to buy, which saves you a little money. You can reduce the number of people with source code access, which improves your security. And you give the whole team a friendlier place to work. It's the best of all worlds. So go to zenhub.com, click try for free, and start your trial. Oh, don't forget to hit subscribe before you head out of here. Okay? See you next time.